Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to the Flexi Chill. It's your boy Nana Kuju. Yeah, today we are going to Chenku Cascade Waterfalls at Dodowa here in Greater Accra. So come with me, let's go to Chenku Cascade Waterfalls. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and then plenty things. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. As I said, today we are going to Chenku Waterfalls. Yeah, so I'm leaving the house. I'm going to meet my friends up at Dodowa. And then yeah, we'll go there. The weather was really bad. That's why I was wearing nose masks and a hoodie. Yeah. Yeah guys, so we are in Dodowa currently. We are going up the hills, like on top of that mountain. I don't know if you can see the mountain there, but that's where we are going. That's where we are walking to. Yeah, so let's go. So ladies and gentlemen, to get to the mountain, we have to pass through a forest, and this forest is called okay, let's call it Kumadu Forest. Just imagine us walking through the forest, then Chihuahua appear. Shukudum. Hey, mo pedie wo ha, mo free hanum call, day na mo pe. The way I go run, hey. I beg you, just imagination of Chihuahua no dey here. Yeah, so Charlie, we dey walk, we still going. Yeah, we go hard.
You no go mind again.
Guys, we are still walking, we are still passing through the forest. You know, easy, we still the walk. Hey, as you can see, me share me black shades, sending me no smarts. Yeah, no. Hello guys, so right now we are currently climbing the mountain. Yeah, no. We go. Actually.
Pay attention. You go to see water 2 days somewhere.
Now you can't give your body more.
This is Africa.
Man, tired.
The land of forest.
Ooh. We go. Charlie.
It's not easy, okay? It's not easy. Next time when you are coming, you take it easy.
Oh God.
Hope I'm not tired.
Oh no, I can't do it.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this point we are 700 kilometers away from the waterfalls. So yeah, we keep going. At this point I'm so tired. I didn't know climbing the mountain was this difficult because Charlie, I didn't see that thing for YouTube as something easy. Oh Charlie. Okay, we'll go. Alright, so we are still climbing the mountain. Yeah, this is Africa. Yeah, let's go. We are still climbing. I think I have to remove the hoodie because I'm getting tired. Alright. This is Africa. I'm not doing this again. Guys, we finally got to Chenku Waterfalls. I don't know if you can hear the water, but then yeah, this is the stairs that leads down to the waterfall. So yeah, we have to go down. Charlie, let's go. Careful. It looks like this tree fell down, but we can pass through. Yeah, actually, maybe. Hey. Hello, guys. So you see how I'm sweating? Yeah, that's the water. Oh my days. So
You see how it comes? You see how the water comes?
first, then the water they pour here.
They pour here. You see that?
Yeah, I see the video. So So yeah, guys, this is Chenku Waterfalls here at Dodowa in Greater Accra Region. But for some reasons, I heard the water has reduced. I don't know. I've not been here before, but that's what my friends were saying. They said the water has reduced. Yeah, Charlie, I am here. No be small dry the explorer things I they do, but ta-da! Yeah, me do Chenku Waterfalls. Yeah, Charlie. At this point, I'm very tired, so I'm going to change and fill the water. Yes. Yeah, and Nyani out of 4. This is Chenku Waterfalls here at Dodowa in the Greater Accra Region. Let me show you guys around. So yeah, guys, we are out here at Chenku Waterfalls here at Dodowa in Accra. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. As you can see, this is Chenku Waterfalls. Peace out, guys. Bye. Yeah, guys, so we had a good day here at Chenku Waterfalls. It's time for us to get back to our houses. Yeah.